All right, we got a new 4-post lift installed. We're going to pull the C10 in for the first time. All right. She's on there. Now let's take her up in the air. First test on the new Halo 9000 XL Pro lift with the 86C10 going up. This thing is nice and smooth. All locks engaged. Nice. This is going to be so much nicer working on vehicles with a lift. I did order a 6500K air bridge jack. That did not make the order, but it should be here in 2 weeks. Other than that, it got installed last night. I'm going to say it's comparable to a Wildfire, which is what I had intended and budgeted for, but this saved me about $2,000. They gave me a deal on the lift. They had a sale. I ordered, not the Pro, but the 9000 XL. It went on back order for 3 or 4 weeks. He had a Pro in stock, made me a deal on it, and it came with accessories that I was having to pay for on the other lift, and all I added was the delivery and install. And thanks to Travis East Industries, I believe, out of Columbus, Indiana, did a great job. Thank you. I helped him do it because his help didn't show up, but no, solid guy, did a nice job. But the only thing I had to add on this was the delivery and install and the bridge jack. Again, I got the 6,500 pound air jack. So this is going to make working on this thing much nicer. Next week, my garage door guy is he's already ordered my parts, so we're gonna do a high lift kit on this center bay, and it's gonna go up and follow the cathedral ceiling on there. So hopefully that's done next week, but pretty nice lift. The standard does not have the boxed out columns. This one does. It's got a 5-year warranty instead of a 2. And it is the XL Pro, so it's the big one. Plenty of room. This fit on there, no problem. We'll see when I put my Tundra on it how it goes. But so far, Halo, East Industries for the install. Excellent, thank you. Now I'm going to play a little bit. I've been waiting for this because I've got some electrical work to do underneath this bad boy, plus some transmission leaks to fix. I think I've got to put new O-rings and packing in the Speedo bullet, and that hopefully will shut that down. And intermediate wire harness. I replaced the rear wire harness. I need to put an intermediate wire harness on. Actually, I'm not going to put a new one on. It's jacked up. I hope I don't have to put a new one on. But now I can easily get up in there and work on it and not have to lay on my back. Plus, take you back here, because if you notice the stance on the truck now, I lowered 2-inch drop springs here and I did 2-inch shackles here, and I don't like it. It's still got too much rake. I'm buying 2-inch drop hangers to put in here, so hopefully that brings it down to where I want. I want a little bit of rake, 1/2 inch or so, but I think that'll take care of it, so I got to do that. And you can, let's see, I don't know if you can see how the exhaust sits. Passenger side's much higher, tighter, and nicer. Driver's side's low. Well, those are cheap Amazon. I don't think they were long tubes. I think they were mid-length, but they were cheap, like $100, stainless. But I think I'm going to have to get long tubes that are correct, where the passenger side sits here and the driver's side sits up a little bit. I did put a double hump cross member in there for dual exhaust, and then I'll take care of that. And then I think we got a rear pinion. The rear pinion needs to be looked at. I bought a new seal for it, and I think that's all it needs. But anyway, there's my new toy with my old toy on it that's under construction. More to come soon. Peace. Give me a like. Give me a subscribe. Leave a comment. Take care.